Hazrat Abu Musa Ashari radiyallahu anhu states, I, accompanied by two Ashari men, entered the presence of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while one of them was on my right side and the other on my left side. They both demanded some designation, while the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was using toothstick then. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, O Abu Musa, what do you say? Or he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Abdullah bin Qais, I submitted by him who sent you with truth. They did not apprise me of what was in their hearts, and I did not know that they would request for some post. Hazrat Abu Musa Ashari radiyallahu anhu then said, as if I were still citing the toothstick between his lips, and it got shortened. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever asks for a post, we will not appoint him to that post. But, O Abu Musa, or said, O Abdullah bin Qais, go to Yemen. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched him to Yemen. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam after him dispatched Hazrat Muaz to Yemen. When Hazrat Muaz bin Jabal radiyallahu anhu reached Yemen, Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu said, come on, and set a bedding for him. At that time a man was there in fetters. Hazrat Muaz radiyallahu anhu asked, who is he? Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu said, he is a Jew. He embraced Islam and then lapsed into his bad religion and became a Jew again. Hazrat Muaz radiyallahu anhu said, I will not sit down until he is slain as per the decree of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu said, please sit down, we will kill him. Hazrat Muaz radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, I will not sit down until he will be killed in accordance with the decree of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This dialogue occurred thrice. At last he was killed. Later they both discussed the standing nightly vigils. Hazrat Muaz radiyallahu anhu said, I sleep as well observing standing nightly vigils and hope for procuring the same reward even while sleeping, which I hope to acquire while observing standing nightly vigils. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4695.